Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set up a complete loyalty program in Smile app to boost your sales and some customer retentions. So for this, I'm using Smile Loyalty Program Rewards app. I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. You can also find this app from Shopify App Store. You can just search for the app from the search bar and find this app. Click on the app, then you can see the installation page like this. So there is some overviews or key points of the apps available over here, and also you can find some pricing details. And we have a free plan, so we are exploring on the free plans. If this find helpful, you can just upgrade to any other plus plans and all. And also there is some genuine reviews from different merchants also available, so you can just go through this. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So after installing the app, you can find the admin panel. Shopify admin panel is having an apps intersection as the smile.io. So this integration is having some different dashboards like programs, customers, analytics, on-site contents, integrations, also the settings one. So let's see how we can configure a new way to earn. This way to earn allow the customers to participate in your reward program by completing some actions to earn points. So you can choose which earning actions to offer, and you can also set how many points customers earn for each one. So after creating a way to earn, you can just edit it at any time. I will show you, like in smile.admin, navigate to the program, then go to the points tab. You can see I have already two ways to earn created, that is the place an order and the sign up one. So select the type of action you would like to reward for from clicking add ways. So in the earning value card, you can just see any let yeah, in this let's go with the celebrate a birthday. Okay, so there is a earning value for here. So here we can input the number of coins we would like to offer for the action. Okay, so we can just set up the uh, points, like we must enter a whole number of points. For example, either it could be a 200, 150, something like that. And decimal values are not supported here. Okay, so you cannot change the fixed, yeah, you cannot just go with the, let's go with 200 points for celebrating the birthday. Okay, so just click on create, then you can see the active or disabled state also. So I'm just clicking on create. My dashboard will show up the uh, and if you have want to give some customer eligibility, you can have the, you must be having some upgrade plans like this. So let's go to the panel or the dashboard. You can see that the celebrate birthday has been created here. And if you want to activate or disable a where to earn plan, you can just click on sign up. I'm just planning to disable this, so I'm just putting on disable and just saving it. So what happens is when I say way to earn is active, customers will see it in the smile panel and earn points for the completing the action. So when a way to earn is disabled, the customers will not earn the points for completing that action, and it will not be hidden from the smile plan. Let's see, like, yeah, let's go to the customers and land back to the, so the dashboard is not showing up that sign up one. So that's how you can create a loyalty program or a way to earn program using smile.io in your Shopify store. So if this find helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.